thank you very much, Kim.
You're welcome.
This is the first video of mine. Thanks to my daughter, she just shows me how it has to be done. I'm planning to make your acquaintance to my, what I say, poetry with music. I know it's in Dutch. You maybe not understand all of it, but the music says a lot. So this is my weekend. I'm a woman of 45 years old. Do I say it correct, Kim? Your English is better than mine. So
44.
45
years. Yeah.
I have 2 kids, 2 cats.
Yeah, I'm one.
You're one of them. I know. And if you would look on a website of a blog that's called www.sterrenstof.nl. See you soon. Bye bye. Okay.